Hello, Steven, and thank you for your question. I do see how this scenario that you are proposing will help lots of other companies as well. As an example, whenever we work with wealth managers and insurance brokers, mortgage brokers, and so on, we will set up a date of when the client's supposed to renew his policy or renew his mortgage or send documents to the government and so on. So this scenario that I'm going to propose will help you and also others. Some of it you can do it by yourself and some of it you will need a developer to do, but I will show you what and how so it won't be complicated. So first of all, you can do what I'm just going to propose both on the contacts and the opportunities. The idea is that on the opportunity or the contact, you will have another field, another section named reminders. You will have the start and end date. And we understand that the reminders will take place on a monthly basis from the beginning until the end. So let's say that in this case, let's assume that the first reminder will take place on October 1st. It will run on a monthly basis until, let's say, June 1st. Okay, so there will be a few months that will need to run on a monthly basis. You will need to create a workflow, and I will show you right now, that will be on the opportunities or deals, and let's call it reminders. The workflow will need to work based on daytime, and the daytime will be based on the reminder start date. So that will be the beginning. Whenever it hits the start date, it will need to run, and I will also change it to run on a monthly basis. So every month it will run again and again until basically the script ends. Now, here you will need to have a criteria. If you will just leave it to all the opportunities, it will run all the time. But you said that in your case that you will have the automation need to run for a few months. So that I assume that if I will have here that it will run this year and next year, I will cover basically everything. Now it's important also to change here to or. So if the end date is this year or the end date is next year, then this automation will run. In 2 years, it will not run anymore. The last part that you will need a developer, it will be that you will have here a function, and the function will check what is the end date. So if the end date kicks in, it will not send any more notifications. As long as the end date is current, basically we are still not hitting the end date, it will send every year the notification to your client. You can send your client a text message, you can send your client an email, you can send your client a webhook to a third-party system, whatever it is. But there is no problem to do it. So I hope I was able to help you during this session. Thank you very much.